This session we are talking about the importance of LinkedIn, and we're going to have an industry expert come in and tell us about how to use that and to build your business. But what has your experience been with LinkedIn and how important is it?
Yeah, my experience is probably similar to most of my other social media, and I do it very sporadically, but I do think it is important to have a presence and to keep it vaguely up to date, because I'm not really available for that much work. I haven't got that much work through it, but I have got opportunities like international speaking opportunities and things like that. People have found me on LinkedIn because I guess it's like putting your portfolio or CV on a universal platform that everybody can see. Again, if you don't, even though we've said that you should have a basic website, but if you don't have a website, it's also a good way to outline your portfolio work, especially if you do more service-based stuff. If Instagram's very visual, but if you're not doing like a product or a really visual thing, and I think LinkedIn is important to have for outlining, and I think your professional achievements and your skills, and also I think just to say you're available for work. If you put it up there, then people will be able to find you. So I think if you can't find somebody's contact details, you can always find them, or you almost always find them on LinkedIn. So I think it's good to have it that way, because people can get in touch with you globally from it.
And there's a way to kind of make your work credible as well on LinkedIn. Like if you've been working on different things, people can see your professional achievements, but also there's a way to back it up, isn't it?
Yeah, and people can contact you, so like there's like messaging capability, which I think is because it can be really hard to find people's email. So even for you, even if you don't have a really good profile yourself, it can also help you to connect with other people that you think might be useful. Like obviously you don't want to spam people, but if you have a credible reason for contacting somebody, it can be hard to find people's email addresses, but you can usually connect with them. I know occasionally we've done that for like speakers or people that we want to interview for projects or events.
That you might not have access to otherwise.
Yeah, because sometimes if it's a slightly bigger company, if you're just emailing info at, it may not get through to them, but if it's something that you think, just like in the recent podcast we did, we asked one of the speakers, like I knew of him, so I thought he might be interested in a really good person for it, but I didn't have contact details, so I connected with him on LinkedIn and asked him that way. It's like a very direct way to contact people. But I think there's a lot more I could do with it, but I'm not that good at keeping that.
Yeah, because I think it's a misconception that it's not important. Like that's something I just never prioritized. But since like whenever I did my master's, I remember we had a session on LinkedIn, and actually like especially for creative work, you're more likely to see more opportunities on LinkedIn than you would in Job Finder or all those other places.
Yeah.
And especially for younger people, there is more of a...
It's like a global network, isn't it? So you can kind of connect with people all around the world.
Yeah.
I think they changed like some stuff on the platform, so it's now more relevant again, and people are using it. They're a lot more